This week's dose of sound medicine is a prescription for sleep. I don't think I ever realized just how important sleep was until I started my medical internship and residency.
Oof.
Oh my God. And then going for so long without sleep and just seeing the impact that it has on your mood, on your personality, on your overall health. I was like the walking billboard for all of the chronic health problems that come along with chronic sleep disorders. And it was really the first time, even though I was, very young, it was the first time that I appreciated what lack of sleep can do and how it can age you. So I'm just so grateful to be done with that period of my life.
Yeah,
And fortunately, I'm trying to think, I have never had an extended period of time without sleep, which I really do credit like my early mantra practice to, that I've never had a prolonged period with insomnia. But of course, like I see so many patients, especially patients with neurological conditions, that have horrific insomnia. And this is one of the mantras that I actually prescribe. And it's one of the few mantras that I actually will recommend to do at night. And it is phenomenal for helping people with sleep. And you're one of the first people that I really had to deal with on a regular basis that had insomnia. When we first met, you had insomnia. And I guess I was your sleeping pill because
yeah.
soon after we got married, you slept very well. I guess I was your Saraswati.
Yeah, but it's not too Debbie.
Yeah, and to this day, after all of these years of marriage, if I'm traveling, you sleep better than you did when we first got married, but you still don't sleep
Oh
well.
no,
It's so sweet.
that's terrible.
And so you were doing this mantra regularly after we had gotten married. And, I said, hey, look, you've got a sleep problem and you really, really have to sleep because it's harming your health. And so you ended up using this mantra and it completely changed your experience with
Yeah,
sleep. So why don't you talk about it?
yeah. Actually, this mantra. Sometimes I'd be like trying to go to sleep, can't fall asleep, laying in bed. Then your eyes open. It's torture because then you're just sitting with your mind, and your mind's never in a good place when you can't sleep, and you're thinking about work tomorrow, and like, oh my God, this goes on. And you're like, what the heck do I do? And so, I would just force myself to sit up in bed, and you're so tired. You're like, I don't want to sit up, but
Yeah.
I have enough energy that if I just lay here, I'm not going to sleep. It's a weird, terrible place to be. So I would just force myself to sit up. I would do the mantra, and it would just calm me down so much that I would half the time I would just like
Yeah,
slip
you'd fall
down and just
asleep.
be gone.
You'd be sleeping,
And now,
sitting. I'd like wake up and notice that you'd be
yeah,
like,
the head's hunched
yeah.
over, and then you wake up and you're like, oh, my neck is so tight because I've been like this for 2 hours. Ah. And so, anyhow, but what I figured out is if you just do this before you go to bed,
Yes.
you're just going to sleep better, anyhow. And, the beauty about this specific mantra, it's for the brain, it's for the nervous system, and it helps you get a new baseline of relaxation.
Yeah.
Because most of us are, if you're not doing meditation, your baseline for a relaxed nervous system is
It's
nowhere close to
stress.
being relaxed.
Yeah, it's not relaxed. It's like just less
So,
stressed.
so
That's the
it's
baseline.
you're
Yeah.
having all the stress happen in the nervous system, but there's nothing to balance it. And the beautiful thing about this specific mantra is it helps to give you that lower baseline of a real relaxation baseline.
Yeah.
So your nervous system has something to reference
Well, and this is really one of
and to
those
balance.
beautiful, sorry, I cut you off, but I was excited about saying this. This is one of those mantras that really is quite prescriptive, that you can do it, of course, like on a regular basis.
Anyone can do this.
But you weren't doing it on a regular basis at that time, and you started doing it specific for sleep. And so it was like your sleeping pill. I mean, it was very, very prescriptive. And in the beginning, you did it for long periods. And now I think you just do it for like minutes. I mean, you fall asleep so fast now. I don't really even, you're still doing
Yeah,
it, but
I
it's like
still
for
do
a
it.
very, very short
And
period of
that's the
time.
amount of time is needed. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's literally just like, I think a minute or so, and then your mind has now been entrained. It has sympathetic resonance, which means that mantra has become the tuning fork. And you went from having like a lifelong sleep disorder to having like very, very healthy sleep. And so that's one of the beautiful things about prescriptive mantras like this one is they really do help to combat physical conditions that, could otherwise require lifelong medication.
And on top of that, this mantra just feels so good. It just relaxes you so
Yeah.
much that this is probably one of my favorite mantras to just sit with on a daily basis and just sink in and just relax.
All right. Well, let's get everybody into that relaxed state with the Saraswati mantra.
Enjoy.
Om Aim Saraswatye Namaha. 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 Om Aim Saraswatye नमः ॐ ऐं सरस्वत्यै 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 नमः ॐ Saraswatye Namaha. Om Aim 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 Saraswatye Namaha. ॐ ऐं सरस्वत्यै नमः 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 ॐ ऐं सरस्वत्यै नमः